Hello. Welcome back to my beautiful channel. Welcome back. Today we've got another interesting thing that we would like to do. We are going to do a frontal knot bleach. How I bleach my frontal. How I bleach the knots. So stay tuned. Look at the hair before. It looks like it's not because of the camera. It looks like it was already not. And you see that it's not bleached yet. Yeah, I can see it not inside. Yeah. So these are the things that we need. I've got my toner, foil, the frontal itself, and my comb to comb it back. And don't ever use metallic on your bleach so that it doesn't react to it. Always use a plastic one for your mixing and application if you want. And you've got your mixing bowl and your telco, and I've got a toner. I'll use that to spread my bleach on. Don't forget to wear gloves. And I'm using the 90% 30 volt. 20% 30 for hydrogen peroxide. Just 2 scoop will do. Then you cover it back. It looks a lot to me, so I'm just scooping the unmixed one because it needs to be really thick. It needs to be very thick. I'm splashing it everywhere, sorry. Yeah, can you see that? If you do that and it doesn't easily fall, it means it's good to go. It needs to be that thick. So whenever you do it, just take your knife or whatever you are mixing with, bring it up and see. If it's really thick, then you are good to go, because you do, yes, that thickness, yeah, that is perfect, because you don't want it to be runny, to leak into the other hair, because you are just bleaching the knots, not the hair. You take all the hair from there, all the hair, just use your comb. Yeah. Do that so that when it falls, it doesn't go on the hair. And you are doing up to the end that bit as well. So when you are starting, don't start from there because it's thin there. So you do the thick, the back, then you do the front. So always remember, start from the bottom bit. Look at the way I'm applying it here. Don't do that, it will leak into it. Just hold it like that and spread it like the way you will spread bread, butter on the bread. Don't be doing it, yeah. Just spread it. So have you see that I'm taking it like a normal hair? You know, from the hair, I'm doing it like, you know, the thickness first. If you start doing the top bit, the front bit hair is really thin, it's not full. So if I start doing the front bit, it's going to develop faster. So I'm doing that last. Yeah. I turn it over because I didn't want it to leak into it. So after 30 minutes, I waited for 30 minutes and I just wash it. Yeah. I'm using a bit of cold water to just wash it. I always believe in using a cold water. It makes the hair more shinier and healthy as well. So I treat every hair like my own hair. It's got a bit of yellowish, so I'm using that toner, color scent, or something like that. I'm using that toner, and it's 1:1. So it means that the 1% of the toner is equal to the 1% of the hydrogen peroxide. Yeah. So 1:1 there. 1% and 1 of that. And you use 20% of the hydrogen peroxide to do that job. So you gauge it, and in your mind it's 1:1 to me. I could have used the brush, but I wanted to just continue with the plastic. So you can use the brush, the application brush to do that. But I just use the, yeah, so I'm covering all the yellowish there. I didn't want it to be too yellowish. And you leave that toner for 10 to 15 minutes, then it comes back to normal. You can avoid using toner, but the good thing about toner is it moisturizes the hair as well, and it covers the yellowish and unwanted color. So I just use that, cover the hair with the foil, so it develops quicker for me. So you can choose to not to do that, but I didn't want to get that dry hair on the client's hair frontal, so I just decided to use the toner, and it makes the hair more shiny. Can you see that? Yeah, Yeah, and that unwanted, that yellowish and everything is all gone. So I recommend that toner to anyone. When you do your bleach and you think that you've got that yellowish and that, and you are not interested, just do 1 to 1 of the toner, and that will give you a moisturized frontal, and it's not going to be like dry and yellowish there. So I wash it again, and I just put a bit of conditioner on, then that's it. There wasn't any shedding. The hair is so good. There wasn't any shedding. I really love the hair. It wasn't. So this is how nice that hair is. Yeah, I love it. 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 The toner has done really good job on the hair. Well, thank you all for watching this easy and peasy hair. If you have any question, please don't forget to leave a comment below, and I will explain it further to you. Thank you so much, and please, if you need any information, let me know. Press the notification button so that anything that comes up, you will be the first to get it. Thank you so much, and please share this video with a friend. Share this video with a friend. I hope you've learned something from me. Thank you, and stay blessed. This is what I've turned out. And we see how natural that looks. Thank you so much, beautiful people, and stay blessed. Bye.